Welcome to another Make Meetings Awesome tutorial, and this one's about the Microsoft Surface Hub, which is optimized, interactive, and video and audio enabled touch display. What we've done is we've invited the meeting and scheduled it with a Skype for Business meeting, and you can see that it is showing up here, and you can just say join. So the whole goal here is to be able to come in and be able to join a meeting within seconds, and you can see that it's bringing both the audio and the video from all the participants on the right hand side. Now, there are a whole bunch of different options that are available to you on the bottom that allow you to either turn on or off the camera to mute, and this is an interactive display, so you have to get up and touch it. The other thing that people might not realize is, yes, there's an interactive whiteboard capability. You can grab the pens from the side. We'll go into a bunch more detail later, but this is Skype for Business. So the cool part is you do have the whiteboard available to you. We'll go into a bunch more detail in a future session, but if you're not in an interactive session and it's just an audio and video call, the cool button is there's this little button here that will turn this into so you have the video experience from the board. And on the bottom here, once again, if you look at the menu here, you can actually go back to that. So once again, walking into the room, immediately accessing and able to join a Skype for Business meeting with a very positive audio and video experience from the interactive display. When you're done, it's very, very important, and don't forget this step, is you're going to hit End Session, which is on the bottom right above the Microsoft logo. It's going to ask you, are you sure? You can save files and other things if you have that, but we're going to say yes, and then it returns the room back into a state for the next person. So as part of our etiquette, it's very nice to be able to say end meeting, and then it gets the board ready for the next step. Now, in an ad hoc scenario, when you walk in here without a scheduled meeting, this is where I don't want to see a Cisco phone on the desk anymore. We're going to walk up and we're going to hit Skype. So hit the Skype logo. The board is then going to give me the several different options. Now this is very important. You can see scheduled meetings, which we saw. We can search for someone or make a phone call. So the first thing we're going to do is search. Now, search is something that we worked on for a while to get fixed. So I'm very excited that we can actually search for individuals. So if I want to do Peter Quinlan, I can search like you do at your desk for all the Peters. And as soon as I add a Q there, you can see here, as long as I add a Q, it's going to find Peter Quinlan into the meeting. So I can join, and all I have to do is hit Peter and then invite if I want Peter to join, okay? The other thing that's causing a lot of frustration is, remember, we don't need a phone on the desk because this is a huge phone on the wall. So we're gonna hit make a phone call. Now I know this is an area of contention, so listen up. You have to dial 9011 because that is the global Skype for Business routing path. We are working with the team to try and simplify it. But 9011, then the country code, and then this is my cell number. So just to prove that it works, and then you're going to hit the button that says call. So this is a beautiful thing, and now you can hear that it's calling an external phone number, so you can have a phone conversation in this space. Okay?